Good morning, everyone. I am Simpy. All of you are welcome to EVS class. In the previous class, what did we do? Let's recap. In the previous class, we understood the needs of clothes, importance of clothes. We participated in tic-tac-toe activity. We learned the hard words and their meanings of this chapter. I gave you assignment, learn the hard words of chapter 2. Have you learned? Yes? I want to ask some questions to you. Be ready. Now, I am conducting online quiz for you. It's really having fun participating in such type of activity. You will enjoy it. In the student login column, you have to enter your name, roll number, class, section. Let's start. This is a vocabulary quiz for you. You have to find out the words with the help of given hints. All of you look at the screen. First question is, what word is it? Hint is given here, mixture. Options are machine, material, solution. Which one is the right option? Right answer is solution. There are 10 questions. Each question contains 1 mark. For right answer, you will get 1 mark. Next question is, what word is it? Hint is given here to get. Options are dyeing, knitting, obtained. What is the right answer? Obtained. Next question is, what word is it? Hint is given here, process. Options are technique, sieve, spinning. Right answer is technique. Next, what word is it? Hint is given here, hand operated machine. Options are handloom, machine, embroidery. What is the right answer? Right answer is handloom. What word is it? Hint is given here, put. Options are machine, applied, garments. Right answer, applied. Next, what word is it? Hint is given here, flow into. Options are fall, color, seep in. What is the correct word? Correct word is seep in. What word is it? Hint is given here, machine. Options are loom, block, garments. Right answer is loom. Next, what word is it? Hint is given here, plant having a blue color. Options are animal, indigo, spinach. Correct word is indigo. We get blue color from the indigo plant. Next, what word is it? Hint is given here, the material used for making clothes. Options are technique, wax, fabric. Correct word is fabric. Next, what word is it? Hint is given here, clothes. Options are fabric, garments, dress. Correct word is garments. Now submit it. After the completion of the quiz, you can also check your score. You can also play this quiz by yourselves. After completion of the quiz, log out it. I will give the link of this online quiz in the description box. You have to click the title of the video and you will get the link of this online quiz. It will be very helpful for you to learn the hard words and their meanings of this chapter. Practice and play this quiz and enjoy it. Now all of you open your books and turn page number 14. We will do the exercises of this chapter. A. Write true or false. You have to write true for the right statement and false for the wrong statement. First question is, the color of cloth can be changed using a dye? This statement is right. The color of cloth can be changed using a dye. You have to write here true. Write down here, true. Right? Next question is, chemical dyes are obtained from plants. This statement is wrong. Chemical dyes are obtained from chemicals. Write down here, false. Next, kalamkari is used only in printing. What is the answer? This is the wrong statement. Kalamkari is used in both painting and printing. Write down here, false. For the wrong statement, you have to write false. Right? Next question is, the pattern of embroidery varies from one state of India to another. This is the right statement. It varies from one state of India to another. Write down here, true. Next, kurta pajamas are unstitched garments. Kurta pajamas are stitched garments. This is the wrong statement. You have to write here, false. All of you do this exercise in your books. Pause the video and then write down. First you have to write true, then false, false, true, false. All of you have done? Now come on the next question. Give one word answers. Name the answers in which a piece of cloth is made using wool. What is the answer? Answer is knitting. Right? All of you write down here, knitting. Next question is, give one example of a natural dye. All of you write down the answer. Here you can write spinach, indigo, beetroot, turmeric, but you have to write only one example. I am writing here spinach. All of you do in your books. Now come on the next question. Name the process of creating patterns on cloth using wooden blocks. What is the answer? Answer is block printing. Write down here, block printing. Write down. Next question is, name the process in which a kalam is used to create designs on a piece of cloth. Write down kalamkari. Here you have to write kalamkari. All of you got it? All of you write down. Write down the answer in your books. In the kalamkari method, we use a special pen or kalam to create designs on cloth. Name the type of embroidery practiced in Punjab. Write down here, Phoolkari. Phoolkari embroidery is famous in Punjab. Phoolkari embroidery is practiced in Punjab. All of you have done. You have to complete these exercises now. Today we participated quiz activity. We have done the exercises of this chapter. Now all the topics are completed of this chapter. We participated in various activities. We completed exercise. We completed question answers. hard words and their meanings. Now, I will give you assignment. What is your assignment? Your assignment is revise chapter 2. You have to revise this chapter. After the completion of this chapter, I'll take your assessment in the next class. You have to read the chapter properly, listen all the videos of this chapter, perform all the activities, whatever we have done in this chapter, learn the exercises, learn the question answers, and be ready for the assessment. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep learning. Thank you.